Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Sonia and looking at you guys also looking at me. That actually feels so nice. So today I will not put any makeup today. So I will just show you how to make perfect lip scrub for your lips. So let's get started. So guys, I have already made my lip scrub. You can see lemon is used for the tan. This video is also for the boys. You can use it at home. As you can see, I've already I used only like 4 or 5 ingredients. You can use this at home. This is called as homemade lip scrub. So let's try it. I will do it with my hands. So keep this for 5 minutes. So guys, 5 minutes had already been over for me. So you can see this. This is the taste is actually good. I can see. So actually the sugar is coming in my mouth. So it is edible also. And yeah, I like its taste. And you can keep it on the fridge for coolness or chill. So let's wipe with clean cloth and see its result. So guys, you can see it has already, this is so much glowing, and I will not use lip balm after it. You can already see it is used as a moisturizer for my lips. So guys, if it's worked, please let me know in the comment section, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you guys.